Hi, my name is Alexandra, and today I would like to show you my new drywall installation tool.
Construction sites are usually filled up with stocks of materials, tools, and so on. At this point, we have to cover frames with dry walls, and as we know, the ceiling panels supposed to be installed first. To use for that purpose floor-based drywall lifters safely, I would have to clean the floor, and it can take more time and efforts than installation of drywalls itself. My tool allows us to avoid those operating expenses, as many others that I will try to show you in my presentation. The application methods of my tool based on usage of vertical and horizontal framed surfaces as a bearing structure for my tool. The clamp can be easily and reliably attached to any existing interior framing materials, such as 1x4, 1x3, 2x3, 2x4, and so on, as well as doubled or tripled framing elements. The tool is reversible, meaning it can be attached either to the ceiling frame or wall frame. The framework automatically locks up in horizontal position. However, for safety reasons, we use a safety anchor, which provides additional attachment point to the construction frame. This way, the loading capacity of my tool exceeds several times the weight of a single drywall panel, providing operational safety. For installation of the first ceiling panel, I use the method wall-to-ceiling. For that, I have to embrace vertical framing element with the clamp jaws. Turn the handle and unfold the tool's framework into ceiling panel installation pattern. After that, I bring in the panel, place it on top of the framework, upswing the framework into horizontal position, attach the safety anchor, and move the panel all the way to the vertical frames into exact position of installation. Now, the drywall panel is ready to be attached to the construction frame the regular way. As soon as the drywall panel reliably attached to the frame, I fold up my tool and disconnect it off the frame. As you can see, the whole installation process requires involvement of a single installer and can take less than 1 minute. For the second ceiling panel, I use the method ceiling to ceiling, meaning that I have to attach my tool to ceiling structure in order to install the ceiling panel. To determine the exact spot for the clamp to be attached, you can simply place the tool to the frame so that the ending section of a tool would touch previously installed panel and connect the clamp. You probably noticed that, first of all, my tool does not require cleaning of the construction site as long as installer can walk on or over obstructions safely, which initially saves a lot of time. Secondly, my tool compared to other lifters relatively compact for transportation purposes and always ready for use without additional assemblies. And finally, the job that usually required two muscular guys now can be done by single and fragile girl within the same time period. All of that seems to me significantly optimizes installation process. Now, the last ceiling panel in the row, and as always, it needs to be cut. So, I cut it to the right size, attach the tool to the wall frame, and implement an installation the same way as it was shown before. Please notice that even when all ceiling beside last panel is already covered with the drywalls, we still can use the tool to attach that last panel. And finally the walls. For that, I unfold the framework into wall panel installation pattern. To determine the exact spot for a clamp attachment, I place the tool to the frame so that the ending section would touch the ceiling. Then I load the tool with the drywall panel and lift it up into vertical position. As you can see, the panel does not require vertical adjustment and ready to be screwed to the frame.
So, here we are. I completed my job pretty fast and efficient due to my extremely professional skills and a help of my friend, of course. Bye bye!